Pro-6-IW is a gigabit dual-band in-wall AP based on the new Wi-Fi 6 standard. Pro-6-IW adopts the new generation Wi-Fi 6 technology with 160 MHz channel bandwidth, dual-band concurrent wireless rate up to 3000 megabits per second. Pro-6-IW is designed to meet every network need in downloading, VR games, cloud gaming, etc. Two omni-directional independent antennas equipped with a 4-way FEM signal amplifier. Compared with other ordinary APS, wireless signal transmission and reception capacity is increased by 2 times, which can easily cover 250 Villa, a large suite. Better signal wider coverage. Two-side tape design, no tools needed, no damage to walls. The Pro-6-IW can be installed with a double-sided tape on the back. Plug in the cable and the AP will be attached firmly to the junction box. No need for additional power supply, and it can be installed in a bedroom, study or kitchen. Unlike traditional in-wall AP designs, Pro-6-IW is higher than wall by 3 cm, increasing the contact area with air and speeding up heat dissipation without affecting the aesthetics of the space. At the same time, it is equipped with 111 cooling holes which increase the cooling efficiency by 30%.